All right, you got Jerry and Todd Auto Repair coming at you, working on the 2009 Honda Pilot. The issue today is the air conditioner. I did have some issues last year where it was working intermittently, and I recharged the system and it seemed to work the remainder of the year. But this year we started out again, it's not working. I did some further research and there's two things that I can try. One is to recharge it again. The second thing I found was it can be the relay switch that drives the clutch that turns the compressor on. That can go bad, and at times it'll fail and not turn on when it's supposed to. So let's go ahead and jack the air conditioner down here, the temperature down, and you can hear the fan kicking in, but it's blowing nothing but hot air. So let's go ahead and take a look at the engine and see what we find. All right, Cameron's gonna hold the light for me. Let's go ahead and see what we got going on here. Right down here. Down there is the compressor, and that is not engaging. So as we look at the air conditioning system here, we can test the coolant system, the charge. We got the low pressure here and the high pressure here. We're going to hook something up to that to test the pressure, and if not, we're going to get into this fuse box here where we got the relays and see if we can't figure out what's going on. All right, I got this device here hooked up to the lower pressure side of the coolant system, and it's reading in the red, meaning that I can't even read it because the compressor won't engage. So I'm going to go ahead and see if we can't test out the relay switch and see if that will be the issue, because last summer I at least got it to engage and I could test the coolant. So let's see if we can test that out and see if we can get this sucker to run. All right, let's go ahead and take a look. Right here is where all the fuses and the relay switches are located. And if you look at the box here, this is the diagram of all the fuses, and this is the orientation here. All these are fuses here, but here's the relay switches, and right here is a snowflake. So that's the air conditioning relay switch, which is this one right here. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna take that one out, and we're gonna replace it with one that I bought over at AutoZone for $7, and we're gonna see if that's the fix. All right, just gonna grab these pliers here and just grab a hold of it, and then work it out. And then I can look at the orientation of the other one and stick it in. All right, there it is. So let's go ahead and fire the car up and see if it works. All right, let's go ahead and fire this thing on. We got our air conditioner on low. Oh, I just heard the engine engage. Sounds like the compressor kicked on. Let's go check and see what the engine's doing. I can feel cold air coming out. All right, we got Cameron holding light again. Let's check him now, see if I way down here. Might be hard to see in the video, but I can now see the compressor belt is spinning. That compressor is engaged. So let's check the coolant and see what the coolant level is. I'm going to go ahead and test the low pressure side again of the air conditioning system by hooking my device up to it. All right, there we go. And if I can read there now, it's saying that it's filled, so that it's recharged. Must have been the relay switch, so we went ahead and fixed this job for $7 from AutoZone. If I had taken this to the dealership, likely I would have got a new compressor at the price of probably $500, $600, $700. So your air conditioner goes out, check the coolant, and also make sure the relay switch is working, because that could be the problem that's not engaging the clutch and the compressor. All right, another successful job by Jerry and Todd Auto Repair. Cameron doing the camera, and we'll check in next time. So go ahead and press like by the video, and we'll see you next time.